Hey, welcome back. My name is Joey, and on this channel we talk about finance and credit cards. By watching my videos, I hope you get a better understanding of credit cards and how to maximize points in finances. And if that sounds interesting, then hit that subscribe and like button. So today we're going to be talking about the best metal credit card. Many people think metal cards are only possible for people with great credit or people who got loads of cash, all them zeros in them bank accounts. While that might be slightly true, people who are just starting their credit card journey can also get a metal card. Keeping that in mind, in this list today of best metal credit cards, we're going to be breaking down the tiers from beginner to prestigious, just so we include everybody. You might be asking, why should I even care about a metal credit card, right? Well, I'm glad you asked. Getting a metal card will get you more friends, more flex, more money, more gains, more happiness. The secret to life lies in the metal credit card. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with the credit card tier system, I'm just going to be giving a quick summary and breakdown, working our way from the bottom to the top. Started from the bottom, now we're here. At the bottom of the pyramid, which is also known as tier 5, we got our secured cards and student cards. Tier 5 cards usually have few benefits, and they're meant to be used as a stepping stone to improve your credit or rebuild it. At tier 4, we have our starter cards. These cards help you start the rewards optimization process by accumulating points. At tier 3, we got those keeper cards. This is probably where most people are going to be able to maximize value. Essentially, for a normal person, the benefits will outweigh the annual costs that come with the card. At tier 2, we got the travel cards. Travel cards are the ones that give you spending multipliers for travel. The main issue with travel cards is that you might need to spend substantial amounts of money to break even or come out ahead of that annual fee. And at the top, the moment y'all been waiting for, top at the food chain, is the high annual travel fee cards. And these are going to be cards like your Amex Platinum or your Chase Sapphire Reserve. So they're going to be your bougie cards, and they usually carry a hefty annual fee of around $500. All right, so starting with tier 5, the secured cards. The card that secures first place is going to be the Apple credit card from Goldman Sachs, and I know this card has a lot of haters. I'm aware of that, but we're just going to talk about this anyway. Don't care about the haters. This Apple card offers unlimited cash back on purchases. Card users will get 3% cash back on everything they buy from Apple, including the Apple Store, App Store, iTunes, and the website. The card also pays 2% back on every purchase using Apple Pay and 1% purchases made without. Now, you can only apply through this card on the iPhone through the Wallet app, so if you got an Android, I am so sorry. I feel your pain. But for my Android users, you might be able to finesse the Discovery secured credit card, which is an awesome card but not metal. It's the price you must pay for being a Galaxy carrier. All right, moving up the ladder, on tier 4, we got the starter cards, and I'm going to choose the Chase Amazon Prime card. This card requires a credit score of 640 or higher. This card comes with a 5% cashback rate. This is probably the cheapest option you're going to get out there with a $0 annual fee if you are looking for a budget metal credit card. This does come with an exception that you are subscribed to Amazon Prime. I don't really know anybody who's not subscribed.
Come on, it's 2020.
But since you do need an Amazon account, I guess you could say this does carry an annual fee. So I'm just going to do some simple math so you know how much you would need to spend on this Amazon Prime card for this card to actually be worth it. So Amazon monthly subscription is $13, or annual is going to be $156. Since this card has a 5% cashback rate, we're simply going to divide the annual fee of $156 by 5%, giving us a total of $3,120. So in short, you have to be able to spend $3,120 a year on Amazon to get your annual fee back. This is considering that you don't have an Amazon account, and if you're not piggybacking off someone's account, like, what are you doing, man? Like, come on. Thanks, Grace, by the way. We also got the Wells Fargo Propel American Express card, which also has a $0 annual fee, earning 3 points per dollar spent on restaurant, gas stations, travel, and streaming services. Points can be redeemed for 1 cent each, so that's basically like 3% cash back in the categories mentioned above. But this card kind of looks ugly. Like, why would you want?
Why would you want? I don't get it.
All right, next on the list is going to be our keeper cards. So for the keeper cards, we got the Chase Sapphire Preferred. This card does carry an annual fee of $95 and requires good credit of 700 or above. Chase really do be like that sometimes. They always strict for no reason. Chase is so basic, man. But you can't ignore the Chase Ultimate Rewards point system, and this is going to be earning 2x points on travel and dining purchases. This card does have a much lower annual fee than its bigger brother, the premium Chase Sapphire Reserve. So if you're just trying to flex out there, this might be a good way to fool all those people that you have a premium travel card.
Got him!
Another great card in this category is going to be your Capital One Savor Rewards Cash credit card. One of the best things about this card is that it gives 4% cash back on dining and entertainment purchases, along with 2% back at grocery stores and 1% of course on all other purchases. The Savor card from Capital One also has an initial bonus that's 300 cash back right now for spending $3,000 in the first 3 months. You excited? Next up on the list is going to be the travel cards, and the card that secures this top spot is going to be the IHG Rewards travel card from Chase. The IHG Rewards card is great for people who travel frequently and spend a lot of time in hotels. It comes with an $89 annual fee, but it starts new card holders off with a bonus of 125,000 points for spending $3,000 within the first 3 months of opening. Now going into the rewards, this card earns 10x at IHG properties and 2x on gas station and grocery stores, and all other purchases you're just going to be earning 1x. So this is a pretty good card if you're loyal to IHG. All right, finally the moment you guys have been waiting for, the premium travel card category. Can we get a drum roll please? At the top of the list of this category is going to be your American Express Gold card. Wait, I know what you're thinking. You're like, what? How did this get the top spot? I mean, it's called the gold card, right? Like, what more do you want? Actually, it isn't made out of gold, but this metal card offers plenty of benefits and rewards. Currently, this card offers a welcome bonus of 60,000 points if you spend $4,000 within the first 6 months. And if that sounds interesting, check out the video I did on how you can earn those welcome bonus points. The Amex Gold is going to be earning 4x on restaurant purchases, including takeout and delivery. It's also going to be earning 4x on US supermarkets on the first 25,000 spent per year. After that, you're just going to be earning 1x. It also earns 3x on flights or hotels booked through amextravel.com. Plus, you also get up to $220 in credits available each year, 120 for dining and 100 for airline. This is amazing card. Very nice. Very nice. And while the premium travel cards usually fall into the category of an annual fee of $500 or more, I really love the design and feel of this Amex Gold card, which is why it got the top spot. The Amex Gold card is just the best value for looks, value, point redemption, and flex. I mean, you gotta be real, you know, right? If you are looking for something more bougie, you gotta have the Amex Plat card. A lot of cards are metal, but just don't have that metal sound. We're gonna do a little sound test right here. Oh, snap. That's a metal card right there. The Platinum card is a high-end product designed for frequent travelers. This card's been around for a while, but was refreshed in like 2017, and like everybody wanted it, and it was hot. The card includes many travel benefits like airport lounge access, Uber credits, and elite status benefits. And if that sounds interesting, check out my video up here where I do a full review on it. Amex Plat's going to be earning 5x on flights and hotels reserved through Amex Portal. Well, that's all I got for today's video. I really enjoyed making this video. Some cool stuff, especially the intro. And let me know in the comments below what card you think is best, and I'll be sure to freaking clap back with you while you gotta hop on the Amex Gold train. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.